Hello, my name is Maria Gonzalez. The myth that I chose to debunk was cooking instant noodles along with the content of the flavor packets turn the MSG container toxic. When I wrote this article, I thought it was possible that the noodles were in part toxic because I heard from a friend that it was dangerous to eat them and they can cause you stomach aches and fever. But after reading the articles, I figured out that the problem wasn't the noodles, it was the flavorings. The noodles have a component called monosodium glutamate, best known as MSG. It's a flavor that contains the noodles and the buckets. It is used to make the food more tasteful. We all know the process to cook the noodles. You can add 2 cups of water, then wait until it's boiling, add the noodles, wait 2 minutes, and then add the flavor. My mates from Snow say that when we actually boil the ingredients, the power, normally with MSG, it will change the molecular structure of the MSG, causing it to be toxic. So after researching a lot, I found that this is wrong. The change of the molecular structure doesn't make the noodles toxic. The problem with MSG is that it can cause headache, nausea, irregular heartbeats, skin rash, or ringing ears. According to CNN Food, this flavor causes allergic reaction to 1 or 2% of the population. These individuals can get burning sensation, pain, headache, or artificial facial flushing. This is why a lot of people think that the noodles are toxic, but it has nothing to do with the change of molecular structure. The tools that helped me to research about this topic were Google and the internet. For me, finding the information was very difficult because not all the way patients had credible resources and most of them were opinions about this food. I also found a few articles that talk about this topic. Most of them talk about how it's wax. There's wax in the noodles and stuff like that. The most surprising information that I found is that some brands of noodles contain from 600 to 800 milligrams of sodium per serving, which in a 2000 calorie diet is 28 to 30% of that. The information that I found about the MSG varied a lot from one page to another one. The one that I used were recommended resources or reliable because they have opinions from important people in the field like doctors and nutritionists. In conclusion, the myth was wrong. The change of the molecular structure of MSG doesn't make it toxic. If the people have a reaction to these ingredients, it's because they are probably allergic. This food is not very healthy in my opinion and is not recommendable to eat processed food very often.